Imagine this: the power grid fails without warning. Suddenly, everything stops. Lights die across entire cities, phones go silent, the internet vanishes. What happens next? Chaos spreads through the streets as traffic freezes and people begin to panic. Grocery stores empty overnight as shelves are stripped bare in hours. No heat when winter hits. No air conditioning in summer heat. No running water once the pumps fail. No way to communicate with loved ones. Hospitals switch to limited backup power and start rationing care. Social order starts to fray at the edges as days turn into weeks. But you do not have to be a victim of the blackout. You can be ready. Stockpile non perishable food and clean water for at least 2 weeks per person in your household. Secure a reliable generator, or better yet, a solar panel system with good battery storage. Keep a hand crank or battery powered radio and plenty of spare batteries. Learn basic first aid and how to purify water from any source. Build a strong community of trusted neighbors who will look out for each other when systems fail. Pack a solid bug out bag with essentials. Know how to cook and stay warm without electricity. Secure your home against looting. Practice your plan with the whole family. When the grid fails, the prepared thrive while others struggle. The difference between panic and peace is preparation. Start today with one simple step. Your future self will thank you for the action you take right now. Sleep better tonight knowing you are ready for whatever comes.